Take two. This is Marshall Curtis. I'm at Redmond Goodwill in Redmond, Washington, and today we are doing this Bissell. This is another episode of Goodwill Picks. We're doing the Bissell Lift-Off Multi-cyclonic pet. It's on sale, blue tag, $34.99. Just came in today, August 1st, 2023. It is model 89Q9, and this one was made in 2010. Now, unlike all my prior episodes of Goodwill Picks, I've done it with my vacuum competitions before. I'm putting a cheat sheet in the description. So if I miss anything in describing it here, maybe you'll find it in the cheat sheet. But anyway, this one has a brush roll turn-on switch. You turn on the power here. There's a light. And you turn on the brush roll here. But you have to push the carriage release first. Let me put you down for a moment. I gathered this dirt from out of here. This is relatively clean here. We're going to see if it works. Now this has only a single action carriage release. That is unlike most Bissells, whereas you have to push this twice to get it all the way down to the floor. This gets all the way down to the floor in a single action. But the problem is it does not allow you to easily lift the floor head for large pieces of debris. Excuse me. So you can see it snow plowing here. Alright, I'm going to try. This has a 7-setting height adjuster here. By the way, even though this machine is 13 years old, it's fairly clean and it's got relatively few scuff marks, so I think this one is low miles. One problem with this machine is the height adjusters are so difficult to adjust on here. So I can't figure that one out. And, well, we're going to see now. If this hose, I'm going to have to put you down a moment here. Okay, I'm going to check the suction on the hose. It's so-so. But at least it's good enough to scoop up the dust there. I'm going to have to put you down here to reattach the hose. Here's what I mean by this double extension wand. And it has the crevice tool here and the combo brush here. And it is missing the pet eraser turbo brush. But here's one thing I've never seen on a Bissell before. Eat your heart out, shark. It has a removable canister, so that you can easily use it to vacuum stairs without having to lug the whole freight around. This is about 17 pounds. It's not no lightweight. And it has about, well, according to one other reviewer, a 30-foot cord. And this cord is in good condition. No dog bite. Now notice these two little yellow tabs here. I have to put you down again. Alrighty, it's hard to film and do vacuum minute and A at the same time. Again, it's on sale at Redmond Goodwill for $35, and it just came out today, August 1st, 2023. And I believe this one is low miles. There's plenty of other reviews on YouTube on it. And I think this one, unlike the ones that are reviewed on YouTube, this one is for sale right now if you live near this store. Okay. This is Marshall Curtis. You know what to do if you like this video. Peace out.